So I'm sitting in my workstation here working on the design for my next project, and I'm actually pretty happy with the design I've come up with. So in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what comes next. I've finished making a gate to keep the dogs contained, but they're growing fast. We have them crate trained, but they will soon outgrow the single metal crate that they're currently sharing, and we'd like to have something that fits in a little better with the traditional furniture that's in our family room. I've created a design for a double crate using SketchUp, and I'm pleased enough with the design that I'll share it with you in this short video. I've designed it as a double crate with a center wall separating the two sections. Let me turn off the top here and then focus in on a single crate section. Here's an exploded view where you can see that I've made it modular so that it can be broken down for storage. The side panels join the end panels with splined joints, and I'll use knockdown barrel bolt fasteners to allow for assembly and disassembly. It's modular enough that the double crate could be reconfigured as a single crate, or even a single crate with a door on each side. Further exploding the modular panels, you can see that I'll make the front panel using lap joints. The door and end panels will use mortise and tenon joints and a frame and panel design. The back panel uses grooves in the rails and stiles that will support short stub tenons as well as the panels themselves. For the bars, I designed the crate to use 3/4 inch round aluminum balusters that I found on Amazon. The 26-inch length corresponds to the longer bars. However, I'm considering making the bars out of hardwood as I did for the gate, just so that we have some design consistency between the gate and the crate. The aluminum bars might be better for puppies which are inclined to chew, so we'll see which direction I go when I get around to building this. I hope you'll check back in to find out. If you're interested in learning how I create designs like this using SketchUp, I'll include a link to a tutorial at the end of this video. For now, thanks for watching.